she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and a short time ago I checked in on you guys' nail growth journeys, but some of you guys were not having the best of luck with how things were going and growing. But from where we last left off, neither was I. In fact, the girls were acting all the way out, imitating lipstick and all. I mean, eventually I whipped them back into shape, but when they grew out this time, I had a whole new problem on my hands like never before. Hangnails! Multiples of them. So bad that now the girls are looking like they're trying to grow whiskers, and it really serves some cat claw realness. On the other hand, the girls look together, just a smidge uneven, but here lives some deception, aka nail crust and some other dried cuticle from a few weeks of maintenance avoided. So, along with these thorn-like protrusions stemming from the sides of my nail, I also have these nails whose ends are looking a little over it. But as I attempt to tuck in the girls' whiskers, I can say that the cold weather and the lack of dedicated moisture were the main culprits that left my hands hanging out to dry. And I've got plenty of nail crusts to support this nail care theory. Ah well, I've never experienced so many hangnails at once, but I'll just hang out with them a little bit more. Until, the next video where I'll be whipping the girls back together once again. But if you'd like to see more of the girls in the meantime, be sure to check out their other digital habitat, aka Hands by Heritage on the gram. So yes, that concludes this overdue whiskers come through type update, and I hope you guys found it helpful. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and engaging. Take care, happy nail growing, and I will see you soon in the next one.